Welcome. Thank you, first of all, for taking the time to join today's discussion and webinar with regards to how every day can be made a repair day with a combination of intention, policies, and standards. The way we'll go through today's session and a rundown is that we'll start looking at why are we talking about repair in the first place? And then, is repairability possible? Can it be done? How this could be integrated within the purchasing decisions and how this could be packaged within an eco-label. And then finally, how all the relevant stakeholders could come together so that this movement can go further and faster. And like with everything with regards to products, how to ensure that during the repair process and after, safety of the consumer or the service engineer is maintained. So to help us understand this a little bit more, we have a recorded message from Congressman Joe Morelle from US. We'll also hear a little bit about practical experience and the struggle and the current situation from Mr. Kyle, who is the CEO of iFixit, and he's a ringleader of this global repair movement. Then we'll hear from Mr. Nick Liu from TCO Development on how this eco-label is already updating the standard and criteria to incorporate requirements about repairability. Finally, from Mo Chatterjee from the World Economic Forum to see how they are bringing together stakeholders to take this movement further. And then some recommendations on how existing standards and requirements could be updated to address this. Let's start off listening to this short message from the Congressman Joe Morelle about what's going on in US and what the plans are there.
Hi, I'm Congressman Joe Morelle. I'm grateful for the chance to talk about my bill, the Fair Repair Act. This problem first came to my attention when I was a member of the New York State Assembly. And when I came to Congress, I saw the opportunity to make the right to repair a national and now global issue. For too long, large corporations have hindered the progress of small business owners and everyday Americans by preventing them from the right to repair their own equipment. Currently, repairs of digital items are intentionally limited by the manufacturer, and they require consumers to pay for repair services through their repair division or manufacturer authorized repair providers. These practices by manufacturers essentially create a monopoly on those repair services, resulting in inflated high repair prices and high overturn of electronic items. I introduced the Fair Repair Act because I wanted to put the power back in the hands of consumers. I also believe strongly in the concept of a circular economy. Repairing and reusing products is an important piece in addressing our global environmental challenges.